Welcome to Kimmy's Atmosphere. I'm so glad to have you here. Dive in and let's learn something new today.
All right, guys. So I have in here a prompt already copy and pasted, and I've got an image already attached from the reference. So all you need to do is tap and straight up to attach it from your gallery. It's very easy to do. And I've chosen a prompt that is different that I haven't used before. I've seen it as a new one. It's called 2.6 multi-shot narrative. So I'm gonna try it out, try to generate. So I've written these friends have are having a conversation. If you look, you're gonna see it's an image of four people, friends that just came together to take a picture. Yes. So these friends are having a conversation on why having a growth mindset is an important positive habit. This mindset embraces challenges as growth opportunities and equally boosts adaptability. And I've written, okay, it should be under 15 seconds. So maybe I could just change that because I can see 5 seconds seem to be the limit here. Oh, let's check. Let's check. Oh, yeah. I can't see anything else. 5 seconds seems to be the maximum. Oh, there's 15 seconds. Great. So I'm in order. Okay, so it should be under 15 seconds. So I'll try to generate and what would happen. So if you take a few seconds, okay, generate. So we'll just give it a few seconds, okay. All right, guys, so it's generated the video, and you see that the picture has come to life. The images that were just um, dormant and now alive. My goodness. So let's go down and download. Okay, so it should download and start in download. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it up. All right, guys, so it's downloaded it and I want to play it. Okay, I want you to concentrate on how they're actually alive. Now, they're having an incoherent discussion about growth mindset because I said they had to be talking. So you notice they're talking over each other, but how it should be is you could be more specific on what you want, okay? Yeah. So you can see that there's movement. Okay, this is just a picture, right? That has come to life. The people are moving. They're actually having a conversation. We can't really hear what they're saying because it's kind of incoherent, but you can hear growth mindset and all of that. So it's really interesting and fun to see just pictures, this versus that. Okay, it's great stuff, and you can actually get them to say exactly what you want. So your prompt determines the outcome of these pictures. Yeah, so it's obvious from the joy on their faces that they're saying something really fun, something really positive. That's the whole idea. I wanted the images to come alive. Okay. Yeah, and talk. Yes, it's fun stuff. And you can get that on Nextify AI. Use the link in the description to get going, to get started. You can create. Okay, this the thing about this thing is the creativity is up to you. So if you have questions, I can still direct you on how to use the prompts. If you can ask them in the comments. Okay, because there are lots of questions that can come out of this kind of thing. So just let me know what you need to know and I will answer. All right, guys, let's look at the pricing for nextify.ai. So if you look, you see that you have three different plan options under the plan category. And we've got the starter. The starter is for $27.25 per month. Okay, so for startup advertisers, 100 credits per month, one user. Okay, all right. Then we've got the pro. The pro is $69. Okay, and it's for professional advertisers, 300 credits per month, one user. Then we've got the business, $137 for advertising, teams, enterprises, customization. And it's got up to 600 credits per month, okay? And there are two users, okay? So you can see all the details on the different packages. From my experience so far, I can tell you that the Pro works better because if you look at it, if you just want to work for yourself, you see you have 300 credits. So if you've got bulk work to do with AI to create lots of videos, especially if you want to create YouTube videos, then you might like to go for this one. But of course, you can start with 100 credits per month. Well, you know that you'll be limited to of only a few videos as compared to the Pro. So with the Pro, you'll be able to do more with Sora 2 Pro because it does take up to 20 credits to do one good video. So you can consider this. This is a very good option. And if you're going to be subscribing for a year, you see that it makes better sense to go for Pro. So do choose the one that best suits you. You may want to start with starter and then you can upgrade to pro. So yes, that's it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I try to keep it as short as possible because I could get this video going really long if I had to show you everything that you could do with Nextify AI, the different apps under there. What is exciting is that they keep adding new apps. I just saw 2 or 3 cool ones that I didn't see even the last time I checked it. So it's exciting what you can do. You can see that the pictures did come alive. Okay, so let me know if you need another tutorial, and I will be sure to do another one for you. But if you're gonna look around my channel, you're gonna see me. I'm using Nextify AI. I'm sharing videos, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching, and talk to you in the comments. And have a great day.